Hello everyone. Welcome to Indian share market and stock analysis for 28th December 2023. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel to get regular updates. Share market C2C. There are two intraday option techniques available in the description of this video. You can take a benefit of this video, and if you have any clarification, I am ready to support you on those techniques. This is our agenda follows for our discussion today. So let's detail about the Indian market open and closure data today. So Nifty touched an all-time high with a new breakout of 21,800, and with fresh all-time high, market ended its last expiry of the year 2023. So this is one of the best year for the investors, where the Nifty have given almost nearly 20% of return in this year of 2023. So that is really a good treat for the investors. So the market will be always in having a trend, some set of time that will be good for the traders, and some set of time it will be good for the investors. This momentum is for the investors. We hope the investing people been more and more coming in through mutual funds, and that's why our domestic investors keep pumping the money into the market. And yesterday the FIA also turned net buyers. If the FIA turns net buyers with a huge volume of money, the next day usually market rallies, and that is proven once again. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex all hit the fresh all-time high, and that's the end of the last expiry of this year. So let's hope for the next year it will be having a good returns for the investors as well. So India weeks also cooled down today. It was rising up to 16.47. However, when the stability of the market was there, so there seems to be no more volatility in the selling. So that remains to keep down the cooling of the India weeks to 15.14. Except the IT index and consumer durables index, all the index traded in green. FMCG sector been good today with the ITC and Reliance, and ITC and with the Hindustan Unilever, those as well. Reliance supported as well. However, this is a good power back rally for this year. So that's it about the Indian share market data. So we will be having one more trading day for this year. So which US market we will be waiting how it's closing, and hopefully we will be closing positive. That's the expectation for tomorrow. So coming to key global market news. So Google, they may fire off 30,000 employees. As you know, now there is a robustic improvement in the AI industries. So the Google is thinking of to do all of its activities by automated AI techniques. So you can see Paytm have fired of almost 1,000 employees now with 30,000 employees in Google. That may be a key impact of the job losings for the employees. Coming to our Indian market key news. So government extends the import duty exemption on urud dal, so by 1 year till next March 2025. So Reliance will never be complacent, it was said by Mr. Mukesh Ambani during the family day, Reliance family day celebration of respecting Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani. So they said they will be one of the world's top 10 conglomerates. That's we can see it's one of the biggest weightage and largest capital company in India. We hope Reliance will grow further. So Mahindra & Mahindra gets 56 lakhs tax penalty. So the company said we will be challenging on this. So we have to wait and watch on this action. Suzlon backs 300 megawatts wind energy project from Apraava Energy. And KP Energy hits 5% upper circuit, as the board have given approval of issuing the bonus shares that hit the upper circuit of the stock. GE Power India shares gains 3% with an order from NTPC and BPSCL. So inside the record years of India's 585 billion mutual fund industry, which we want to say in the opening market and closing data also we have told this. So there was a huge number of young investors came into Indian market. They stabilized the market for the further up move. So we hope this type of investments will continue. That will be healthy for our country for further developments. So man industry shares rally 7% as they have get cleared of the pipes tested safe for a hydrogen transportation. That is a positive news for this stock. Zomato gets 401 crore GST liability notice. However, they have noticed that these all related to the delivery charges collected by it. So on behalf of their partners. So however, the stock fall more than 3% today. Bata India gets 60 crore sales tax notice. So they have raised in a final audit report stated of December 25th according to their filing. Nifty quarterly today. So which is mostly it will be every quarterly they will be changing the weightage of the Nifty 50 stocks. They are expecting more inflows in the Bajaj Finance, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. So we have to wait and see for the update once it is released. HUDCO surges 18% with a new record high of 14,500 crore order with the Gujarat government, as we have said this in the yesterday's news. So yesterday's news reflected and showing 18% up of the stock. Canara Bank, we also given a news that Canara Robeco is going to come with an IPO, which is the fifth mutual fund company entering into Indian share market. The Canara Bank shares raised by 3% because of this news. Stock recommendations, Motilal Oswal is bullish on Coal India. So they set a target of 430. Today alone, the stock been raised more than 4%. The last traded price is 380.95. And Sharekhan is bullish on KEI Industries. So they set a target of 3,600. Currently, it's trading at the value of 3,286. So these are the two stock recommendations, and we have one technical call which is for Maruti Suzuki. So currently it is showing a reverse from its major support zone, which is 10,060. So there is a clear trend of morning star is been formed on this support zone, which indicating this stock can move further up to 11,600 levels. So the range of this stock movement will be 4 to 6 weeks. I personally bought some shares of this Maruti Suzuki for the swing trade. So I will be releasing with the video once I'm been exit of this stock once it is done. Please do your own analysis before investing on any stocks. Coming to commodity sector, so the crude is trading lower, which is the Red Sea crisis also still is there. We can see the crude down, which is reflecting in the painting sectors or chemical, which is dealing with oils, stocks being traded positive. So the crude is trading below $70, $80. That is positive for India. And for the gold, it was down today. However, there is still chances of more gold to move up. So the currencies, USD to INR, it was traded today at 83.17 against the USD. So Bitcoins and crypto, it's trading in mixed. So Ethereum in positive and Bitcoin is trading in negative territory. So new IPOs today, Azad Engineering make its listings today. So it opened with a listing of around 720 rupees, I think. So it was down from its listing price 37.2 and it ended at 30% gains. So it had a closing at 677, which is almost near to the day's low. So there are some star Indian sports players been invested in these stocks like Sachin Tendulkar, PV Sindhu, so on, VVS Laxman, such peoples. They have been investors of this stock for a long time. So however, you have to wait and watch since the stock came down from its opening price of the listing. You have to wait for the quarterly results and further performance to get invested on this stock. So that's it for today. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If it is beneficial, please share to your network, subscribe to our channel and press bell notification. Stay safe, invested.